from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Details about the timeline for new school construction and school renovation in Henrico County. We'll have those for you in today's Henrico News Minute. It's a snowy Monday, December 11th, 2023. And it's brought to you today by Makeup by Holly Beauty Partners.
And now for the news.
Well, 6 Henrico County public schools are over capacity, and parents and school board members have urged officials to prioritize rebuilding schools in the West End and also building a new school in that area. 3 elementary and 3 high schools, all in the West End, have more students than those buildings are meant to hold, according to a school system report conducted at the end of September. Several others also are nearing 100% capacity, with 14 in total at more than 90% capacity and 4 of them above 98% capacity. At a school board meeting last month, board members reviewed the division's capital improvement plan for the coming fiscal year, which would designate 5 schools to be rebuilt or renovated and 2 new schools to be constructed by 2029 using funds from last year's bond referendum. Current CIP has 4 West End schools being rebuilt or renovated by 2026 and 1 new West End elementary school being built by 2029. But Three Chop District School Board member Mickey Ogburn said something must be done sooner, saying she was mainly concerned about the new West End elementary school not opening until 2030, especially since many other elementary schools in the area are overcrowded. Now, right now on our website, we've got a complete look at what the school board's plans would entail from our education reporter, Leanna Hardy. Take a look at that right now at henricocitizen.com. Some Henrico County police officers took about 125 elementary school students from participating Henrico and New Kent schools on a Christmas shopping spree on Saturday. We've got details about why they did that on our website right now, henricocitizen.com, from our partners at WTVR-TV. Fatal overdose rates remain high in Virginia even as the state begins to spread opioid settlement money to state and local agencies hoping to tackle the epidemic. Death from drug overdoses, opioids, and fentanyl in particular has remained the dominant method of unnatural death in Virginia since 2013, according to the Department of Health. Overdoses were down slightly last year, but the numbers forecast to remain about the same or grow this year. The opioid epidemic was officially declared a public health emergency 7 years ago. Opioid-related deaths increased by almost 275% between 2012 and 2022, according to VDH data. In Henrico, in the past 5 years, 421 people have died from opioid-related deaths, according to statistics from the Department of Health. The 5-year opioid overdose rate in the county is 25.3 per 100,000 residents. And today on henricocitizen.com, our partners at the Capitol News Service take a deep dive into the opioid issue and what is being done to stem it. You'll want to check that article out when you have a chance. And this Saturday, the Henrico County 250th Committee will host a public kickoff event from 2 to 4 p.m. at Walkerton Tavern on Mountain Road in Glen Allen to commemorate the 250th anniversary of the Boston Tea Party. The event will be held on the exact anniversary of the Tea Party, which occurred in 1774. Attendees will have a chance to travel beyond the school textbook and basic timeline to learn about the event in a fun and engaging way through crafts, activities, sampling of the types of tea that were dumped overboard, as well as costumed reenactors featuring Virginian Patrick Henry and his daughter. The event also is designed as a way to spread awareness about the 250th commemoration of the founding of the U.S. Activities are beginning now and running through 2031 at the state and national levels. Statewide events will peak in 2026, but Henrico County's committee is planning to offer a variety of ways to learn about the people and events of the past, as well as to engage in dialogue on what liberty, freedom, and how the legacy of events 250 years ago shaped the present. To learn more about the Boston Tea Party event, visit our website, henricocitizen.com, and look for this article. Does your personal brand need a makeover or maybe just a bit of styling? Let Makeup by Holly Beauty Partners help. They can enhance your personal image, style your body type, and color consult to help you look and feel your absolute best. Makeup by Holly Beauty Partners offers mobile bridal hair and makeup services, one-on-one makeup education and training, wardrobe styling, videography and photography services, and a mobile beauty lounge for events anytime and anywhere. Call 804-266-4564 or visit makeupbyhollyb.com to learn more.